Today I'm going to show you how to create this pretty mint and gold heart design using one of my favourite Essie polishes. This is Mint Candy Apple, which is a gorgeous mint, almost eau de Nil colour, and I'm applying 2 coats to my nails. Here's a swatch of the polish without any stamping. It really is a stunning shade and a classic Essie polish. The stamping plate I'm using is Beauty Big Bangs 07, which has 6 full nail designs, and I'm stamping with Mundo de Unas Gold stamping polish. I'm using this pretty string of hearts image, which is perfect for Valentine's Day, and I'm stamping the same image on each nail. Try to make sure you line the image up so the hearts are all facing the same way. This is easier with a clear stamper, but I'm using this regular stamper as it picks up so well. Now I've finished stamping, I'm removing the excess with some tape to make cleanup easier. See how it picks up the leftover polish from my skin so easily. And here is the design with a layer of regular top coat. I think this looks pretty, but I'm going to see what this looks like with matte top coat. So I'm going to apply Barry M matte top coat and we'll see which looks best. I always apply regular top coat before applying matte top coat, as this protects the stamping. There seems to be something in the matte top coat that drags the stamping and smudges it, which ruins the design. And here's the finished design in matte. I think I prefer the matte finish as it's super classy looking. Which do you prefer? Here's the shiny top coat again. Hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more.